Isosceles trapezoid. A trapezoid with two equal length sides. A trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite parallel sides called bases. The two non-parallel sides of a trapezoid can have any measure base angles. An isosceles trapezoid, however, is one with two equal length sides and therefore has one pair of parallel opposite sides called bases, and the other two non-parallel opposite sides of equal lengths and therefore equal base angles. Base angles are angles along the base, parentheses, either base in the case of a trapezoid, end parentheses. Contrast an isosceles triangle with an isosceles trapezoid. Because a triangle only has three sides and two of them are of equal length, parentheses, isosceles, end parentheses, the third side of the isosceles triangle, parentheses, the one not the same length as the two equal length sides, end parentheses, is called the base. The angle at which the two equal length sides attached to the base are called base angles, and in an isosceles triangle, they are equal, just as in an isosceles trapezoid. An isosceles trapezoid is a quadrilateral with a pair of opposite parallel sides called bases, and another pair of opposite sides which are not parallel, but are of equal length. Antonyms: trapezoid. Related words: isosceles, triangle.